For a long time, Alex believed motivation was something that arrived before change. Like a signal. Like a feeling that told you, now you're ready. Alex waited for that feeling every day. Some mornings felt hopeful, but most mornings felt ordinary. Heavy. Quiet. And motivation never stayed long enough to matter. Alex wasn't lazy. In fact, Alex cared deeply about becoming better. About growing. About building a life that felt meaningful. But caring and acting felt very far apart. Every night, Alex made promises. Tomorrow would be different. Tomorrow would be focused. Tomorrow would be productive. But tomorrow always came with the same tired body and the same noisy thoughts. Mornings began with an alarm that felt too loud and too early. Alex would lie in bed, staring at the ceiling, waiting for energy to appear. The phone came out. Minutes disappeared. Motivation never arrived. The day started late, rushed, and already disappointing. Throughout the day, Alex watched others seem so confident, so driven. People who appeared to move forward without effort. Alex wondered what secret they had. What switch they turned on each morning. By evening, guilt filled the space where progress should have been. Alex felt frustrated not just with the day, but with the pattern. It felt like life was on pause, waiting for the right mood to begin. One night, after another unproductive day, Alex sat alone in silence. No music. No phone. Just thoughts. And for the first time, a painful truth appeared. Motivation had become an excuse. Not a bad excuse. Not an intentional one. But a comfortable one. Alex realized something important. No one waits for motivation to brush their teeth. No one waits to feel inspired to answer an important message or show up to work. Those things happen because they must. So why was growth treated differently? That question changed something. The next morning came quietly. The alarm rang. Alex felt the same tiredness, the same resistance. Nothing magical happened. But this time, Alex didn't negotiate with feelings. Alex stood up. No motivation. No excitement. Just movement. The first action was small. Drink water. Make the bed slowly. Sit at the desk. Open a notebook. Alex didn't plan the future or set big goals. One sentence was written. Action comes first. That morning wasn't impressive, but it was honest. The day continued normally, but something felt lighter. Alex wasn't disappointed anymore. There was no waiting, just doing what was possible. The next day, Alex tried again. 10 minutes of focused work. A short walk outside. A simple meal. Not perfect, just enough. Some days were better. Some days were worse. But Alex kept moving. After a week, Alex noticed something unexpected. The mind felt calmer. Less noisy. There was less self-criticism. The pressure to feel motivated disappeared. Action became a habit. 2 weeks later, Alex failed again. Stayed in bed too long. Wasted hours. Felt disappointed. But this time, something was different. Alex didn't quit. The next morning, Alex started again. That's when the real change began. Over time, Alex realized motivation had always been unreliable. It came and went. But discipline, built through small actions, stayed. Confidence didn't come from feeling ready. It came from showing up when it was uncomfortable. One afternoon, while walking home, Alex felt something unfamiliar. Not loud pride. Quiet pride. The kind that comes from keeping promises to yourself. Life didn't suddenly become easy. There were still challenges. Still stress. Still moments of doubt. But Alex now trusted one thing. Movement creates momentum. Weeks turned into months. The changes were subtle but real. Alex woke up earlier. Focus improved. Energy increased. People noticed something different. Not success. Stability. One evening, Alex sat with someone important. Someone who cared deeply. They smiled and said, "You seem different. Calmer." Alex smiled too. That night, Alex wrote in the notebook again. I stopped waiting. Waiting for motivation. Waiting for confidence. Waiting for the perfect moment. Action didn't fix everything. But it opened the door. Alex understood something simple and powerful. Motivation is a feeling. Discipline is a decision. And decisions, repeated daily, build a life. Today, Alex still feels tired sometimes. Still struggles. Still doubts. But now, Alex doesn't wait for the right mood to begin. Alex begins. And the mood follows.